here, it's your girl Favour Aruwei, the youngest billionaire business coach. Yes, I mean it. The youngest billionaire business coach. I'm the founder of Leadwise Biz Institute. Money regrets in your 40s. There is one sentence I hear from people in their 40s more than any other, and it is the saddest sentence in personal finance. The 5 words are, I wish I had started. I've heard it from market women and bankers, from people who earn well and people who struggled. Different life, but same 5 words, said with the same quiet pain. Today I'm going to share the 5 biggest regrets behind those words. Not to scare you, but to save you. Because every one of these regrets is still avoidable for you right now and today. If even one of these save you 10 years, this video did its job. Let's get into it. The 5 words, I wish I had started, not I wish I had been luckier. The regret is almost never about ability. It is about timing. It is about all the years that quietly slipped by while they waited. Here is what makes it so painful. By the time most people feel the urgency, the cheapest, most powerful years are already behind them. The regret is not loud. It is a quiet ache that shows up around salary day, around their children's school fees, around the word retirement. You are young enough to make sure those 5 words never become yours. So let me show you exactly what causes them. The number 1 regret is that I kept telling myself I would start saving and investing once I earned more. So they waited and the raises came, and so the bigger rent, a nicer car, school fees, the enough they were waiting for kept moving, because expenses always rise to swallow income. 20 years later, they were earning many times what they started with and still have almost nothing saved. The income grew, but the habit never started. The lesson for you watching me today: do not wait to earn more before you start. Start now with what you have, so the habit is already built when the bigger money arrives. Another regret is I thought I had time. I was 25 and retirement felt like another lifetime. I thought I had all the time in the world, and that is the trap of being young. Time feels infinite, so you treat it carelessly. You assume there will always be a later with more money and focus, not knowing that time waits for nobody. Time does not announce itself leaving. There is no alarm set at 30 that says your easy year are ending. It just quietly passes, and one day you look up and a decade is gone, and the head start you could have had is gone with it. The lesson you should learn from this is the time you think you are wasting carelessly is the most valuable asset you could ever hold. Use it while it is still in your hands. So a quick check: which of these 2 are you doing right now? Waiting to earn more and you telling yourself you still have enough time. Just one word. The honesty you give right now might be what protects your future self. The 3rd regret is I spent my best year proving a lifestyle. I spent my 20 and 30 looking successful instead of me becoming wealthy. The latest phone, the clothes, the outing. Money that would have been used building a future was spent building an impression for people who were not even paying attention, people who doesn't care about you. And here is the cruel part: the lifestyle did not even last. I mean, the phone got old, the clothes went out of style, the impression faded, but the years of savings they traded for it never came back. Another lesson you should learn from this is that let your lifestyle be the reward of the wealth you have built, not the preview of wealth you are hoping for. So the fourth regret is I let starting small stop me from starting. I felt embarrassed to start with small money. So I waited for an amount that felt serious. Where that amount never came, they look at 5,000, 10,000 naira and thought, what is the point? So they did nothing, and nothing repeated for years built exactly nothing. Meanwhile, the person who was not too proud to start little, who saved the embarrassing little amount consistently, quietly built something real, because small and consistent always beat big and later. Another lesson you need to learn from this is, like I always tell you, never despise the small beginning. The small start you are ashamed of today is the foundation you will be grateful for tomorrow. And the fifth regret is I never learned how money actually works. Nobody taught me, and I never took the time to learn it myself. This is the regret underneath all others. They went through life never understanding savings, investing, asset, or compounding. Not because they were not smart, because they never decided to learn the rules of the game that they were forced to play every single day. So they make the same avoidable mistakes for decades, paying for an education in losses that a few good books and the right guidance would have given them for almost nothing. Another lesson you should pick from this is you're watching this video, which means you're already doing what they did not. Do not stop. Keep learning how money works on purpose, starting now. Here is why I made this video, and it is not to depress you. Every regret I just shared was spoken by someone who was looking backward. You get to hear them looking forward. That is a gift almost no one gets. You are being handed the wisdom of someone else's mistake, while you still have the time to avoid them. The 40-year-old saying, I wish I had started, will give anything to be where you are right now, young and early. Do not waste the very thing they are wishing for. Their regrets can become your roadmap. That is the whole point. 5 regrets. You're waiting to earn more, thinking they had time, funding a lifestyle instead of a future, refusing to start small, and never learning how money works. 5 words behind them all. I wish I had started. Make sure those words are never yours. If regret number 5 hits the hardest, hit the like button. Most people were never taught the game, and this video might be the moment someone decides to learn it. As you know, I always drop a wealth lesson every week, built for young Nigerians who refuse to learn the hard way. Be wealthy and be intentional about it. See you in my next video.